Hello, this is Priyank. Let me tell you how you can calculate anti-log of any number without calculator or log table. You can click the card to see my video on how to calculate log without calculator or log table. For this trick you have to remember few things, that is zero point 0.1 equals to 1.26, 2 into zero point 0.1 equals to 1.58 and zero point 0.3 equals to 2 and a simple table. I will tell you how to use them in calculations. I have covered all possible situations in following examples. Now let's move to our first example. Antilog of 3.74. First we will break 3.74 in few parts, that is 3 plus 0.74. We can directly replace 3 with 10 raised to 3. Now we will try to break remaining part with zero point 0.3 as much as possible. Here we can use zero point 0.3 two times. Now we will break remaining part with zero point 0.1. So we can write 0.74 as 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.1 plus 0.04. Now we will replace 0.3 with 2 and 0.1 with 1.26. Now we will check the range in which integer 4 lies in the table and replace it with according value. Now we will multiply all these numbers and get the answer. The answer is 5.544 into 10 raised to 3. This trick will give estimated value as answer with less than 4% error. Don't use this trick for accurate calculations. Next example is antilog of minus 2.74. We have to make some changes before applying trick because it is a negative value. Now we can write it as minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.74. We will simplify it as minus 3 plus 0.26. We can replace minus 3 with 10 raised to minus 3. Now as 0.26 is less than 0.3, we will directly try to break it with 0.1. So we can write it as 2 times 0.1 plus 0.06. Now we will replace 2 times 0.1 with 1.58 and 0.06 with 1.15 according to table. Now we will multiply all these values and get the answer. The answer is 1.817 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is very close to actual answer. Our next example is antilog of 6.4872. Here we have 4 digits after decimal point. If the third digit after decimal point is greater than 5, then we will add plus 1 in second digit. Otherwise we will just ignore it. Here we have to add plus 1 in 8, so it can be estimated as 6.49. Again, it will not have a big impact on final answer. Now we can write 6.49 as 6 plus 0.49. Again replace 6 with 10 raised to 6 and try to break remaining part with zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.1 as we did before. So 0.49 can be written as zero point 0.3 plus zero point 0.1 plus 0.09. Now we know how to replace all these three numbers. Again, this trick will give you estimated answers with less than 4% error. The answer is 3.024 into 10 raised to 6. Hope you find it helpful. Ask me if you have any query related to this in comment section.